Welcome back, children. Last session we studied about how to read from a CSV file which is created by using Notepad and Excel. Now we are going to write data into a CSV file. How to write data into a CSV file by using Python. For that we have a function named writer is there. Using the object of writer object, we can write into a CSV file. Writer is a function and which will create a writer object, and this writer object that convert the user's data into a delimited string. And this string can be written into the CSV file by using a write raw function. Once again I repeat, using writer function we can create a writer object and which will convert the user's data into a delimited string. After that, by using write raw, there is a function named write raw is there. By using the write raw function, you can write that record into your CSV file. Now we can try out that how to write data into a CSV file. The first step, importing CSV file. Second step, you have to open the file with open file name emb718.csv. That is a file I am going to create which is not already created. By using Python, we are going to create emb18.csv. And here we are going to create, so that means the file mode is W. As file object obj. Now file is open, emb18 is opened in W mode as file object obj. The first step we have to create a writer object. So I am going to create a writer object W equal to CSV dot writer, it is small letter, CSV dot writer. It is similar to your reader itself. There we are using CSV dot reader, here we are using CSV dot writer, and the object name obj. Now you created a writer object W. Now by using this W object, we are going to write content into EMB or records into emb18 file. So W dot, we have a function named write raw is there. Write raw of, first we have to write the heading. So the heading I am going to enclose inside a list. See that I just use that bracket over there, that means it's a list. The heading, I am going to give the heading as name, and the second heading is age, and one more heading salary, and list bracket close and normal bracket is closed. So now you written that heading into the CSV file. Next record. Next I am going to write the first record. So W dot write raw of the first record. First record also in the form of a list itself. The first record data name, comma, age, comma, salary. Now that list is closed. One more record, W dot write raw of list, age and salary. Yes. Now to record and heading that you written into the file emb18.csv. Now this is all about to write into a CSV file. I am going to run this program. Here you don't want to close the file because we studied that it is a with statement. Once the block is over, automatically that file will be closed. If you are using normal open command, open method, then you have to close it. Here it's a with statement, so everything comes under that block. So once you exit from that block, automatically that file will be closed. So that is why I am not using the close statement over here. Now just run this program. Check it whether there is any error is there or not. So there is no error. It's not displaying any output over there. That means I didn't mention any read part over there in the program. It is only the write part. That means you created the file. We didn't read from the file at all. It is only the creation part. And we have to check whether the file is created or not. EMB18 is created or not. Now I am going to open. Excel is already open there. I am going to check whether it is opened or not. File, open, the same path which we used. Path is this one, C drive. Yes, now I got the path. Now I am here in Python folder. Now see that this is emb18.csv is created here. That is created in Python folder. Now when I open this, that is opening in your Excel screen. See, this is created over there. This is emb18.csv. I will just increase the size. Just little bit increase the size. Yes, I think it's readable for you. Now the records are written into your emb18.csv. By default, it is creating as an Excel file. That is why I am opening that in the Excel file. Say that two records are written, that both the records are available in Excel. Next step, I am going to read these records from this Excel file, which is already created. Now it is already saved. If you want, you don't want to save it. Yes, next step. Okay, this is your Python screen. Now I am going to read it, the content from emb18 and display on your Python screen. Yes, I am going to use open method itself. P equal to open and here emb18.csv. And mode is not mentioning there because by default read mode. Next we want to create a object for reader r equal to csv dot reader of the object name P. Now P is the object and you created an object for reader and the object is R. Next step, I want to display the heading print next of R. So the heading will be displayed there. After that, one by one record I am to extract. So for T in R, I am extracting and displaying on your screen print T of 0, T of 1, T of 2. All the attribute, all the field name and displaying over there. Check it whether the system this is working properly or not. We want to close it. So I just want to close it. File object is p dot close. Yes. Now check it whether the program is working, but whatever you are expecting is displaying over there or not. Now say it's showing one error. Index error, list index out of range. Heading is displaying over there. See that you can see the heading name, age, salary. Heading part is displaying, but when you extract your records, it's showing the error, index error. That is because see that in your Excel file, This is not the Excel file. Yes, now you can see that EMB18 is open, and when you write the data into the CSV file, on the top the first heading will be there. Below that there is one extra line is including by default there, and here also after the first record there will be one extra line is there. Because of that extra line, this error is coming over there, list index out of range. To avoid that extra line, you can use in your Python, when you write the data into your file, you can use one more argument. Argument is this one, new line equal to empty. That means by default Python will insert a line after each record. To avoid that additional line into that CSV file, you can use new line over there. New line empty bracket. That means there is no new line is not needed over there. Now I am going to run this program. This is an additional argument you are using along with the file, along with the open statement. Now see, permission error is there, 18 is open. I am going to close that 18, close the file and run the program. See that both the records are displayed back on your Python screen. This is the way you can write data into your CSV file, and you can read it back into the Python screen itself. The only addition I done it over there, new line argument. So by default the Python interpreter will add a new line, extra line after each record. To avoid that, you have to use new line argument, new line equal to empty. That means there is no new line will be inserted after each record. That is the only difference is there. Remaining everything is there. This is something new for you. Writer is the method name. Writer method will create an object. Using that object, by using the method write row, you can write each record into the CSV file. Here you are writing individual record into the CSV file. See that first record, second, 2 times you use the write row. So you have 2 records are there. So 2 times you use the write row method. So if you have more than one record is there, that much of time you are using the write row method to write the record into the file. Now we can see how to write multiple records into a CSV file with the write row method. It is not write row, it is write rows is there. There is another method named write rows is there. By using that method, you can write multiple records into the CSV file. So, next session we can study how to write multiple records into your CSV, multiple records into the CSV file by using write rows. Okay, thank you children.